Hello, students. Welcome back. Today, we will visually understand a very important biology topic, genetic code and mutations. Imagine that just one nucleotide in DNA changes. Can that single change alter the entire protein? Let's find out. First, let us understand what a mutation is. A mutation is a phenomenon in which the DNA sequence undergoes an alteration. This alteration can produce changes in the genotype and, consequently, in the phenotype. Remember that, along with recombination, mutation is also an important source of variation in DNA. Now the question is, how do mutations occur? Chemical, physical, or biological factors that induce mutations are called mutagens. For example, ultraviolet radiation is a mutagen that can cause mutations in organisms. Mutations can be classified on the basis of their level and mechanism. In this lesson, the important categories are point mutation and frameshift mutation. In a point mutation, a change in a single base pair is important. In contrast, insertion or deletion can change the reading frame, resulting in a frameshift mutation. Now let us discuss point mutation. When a change occurs in a single base pair of DNA, it is called a point mutation. A simple way to visualize this is to imagine a DNA sequence in which one nucleotide is replaced by another nucleotide. Only one position has changed, but this change can affect the information encoded by the DNA. A classical example associated with point mutation is sickle cell anemia. Now, the second type of mutation is frameshift mutation. Imagine that DNA, or a genetic message, is read in groups of 3 bases. If one or two bases are inserted or deleted, the reading frame changes from the point of insertion or deletion onward. Therefore, the addition or removal of just one nucleotide can completely change the downstream codons. This is called a frameshift mutation. Insertion means that an additional nucleotide or nucleotides are added to a DNA sequence. If the number of inserted bases is not a multiple of 3, the reading frame may shift. For this reason, insertion can produce a frameshift mutation. Deletion occurs when one or more nucleotides are removed from a DNA sequence. If one or two bases are deleted, the reading frame may shift from the point of deletion onward. This can affect all the downstream codons. Here is a quick comparison. In insertion, a nucleotide is added. In deletion, a nucleotide is removed. When one or two bases are added or removed, the reading frame may change, resulting in a frameshift mutation. Let us revise the topic. Mutation means an alteration in the DNA sequence. Factors that induce mutations are called mutagens. A change in a single base pair is called a point mutation. Insertion or deletion of one or two bases can change the reading frame, resulting in a frameshift mutation. That is the basic concept. Pause the video and go through these questions for better understanding of the topic. Now you should have a clear understanding of the basic mechanism of mutation and the difference between point mutation and frameshift mutation. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for the next biology concept.